Hi, so today we will be learning about muscle tissue cells. So let's start with our skeletal muscle tissue. Think of a person at a gym. They're lifting weights or they're running. That is your skeletal muscle tissue working. So your skeletal muscle, it attaches via your tendons or to your periosteum, which is on your bone, and that pulls on the bone so that you can move. So the skeletal muscle is voluntary, which means that you do it yourself or you tell your body to do it, whereas involuntary, your body is doing it yourself without you having to tell your body to do it. So the skeletal muscle, it covers our skeleton and allows for movement, and it regulates our heat. And then you can see that there's multiple nucleuses per cell and that there are visible striations in the cell. So the smooth muscle is involuntary and it surrounds all of our hollow organs. So this means that it is present in our airways or our reproductive system and is responsible for digesting food or breathing and stuff like that. It also regulates blood pressure and distributes blood. You can see that there are no striations and that there are only one nucleus per cell, and that is very densely compact. This is because that the layers are just right on top of each other, just really connecting. And then the cardiac muscle. So this is located only in your heart and it pumps your blood, and you can see that these two are very alike, but the way you can tell the difference is because of these little lines right here, which are called the intercalated discs. This is where the cells attach. So in review, the muscle tissue cells are responsible for contraction, which is our movement. Our muscle tissue cells are responsible for things like allowing movement or covering our skeleton or regulating our temperature. It is also responsible for breathing and moving our food throughout our body, and it is also responsible for pumping blood. Without our muscle tissues, we wouldn't be able to perform our functions. Like right now, I'm using my skeletal muscles to present this lecture.